Do you want an injection molding machine that is super reliable, high performance, assembled here in America, and widely used and favored by many automotive and household appliance makers throughout the world, and can be delivered to your floor quickly? The Nissei is the answer for you. The FVX-III Series inherits long-term operation stability and direct clamping advantages of the proven FV Series. These machines are still running for over 20 years without leaks. With the added Nissei X-Pump System, the FVX-III now delivers far superior performance to the clamp and injection, while offering long service life, easy maintainability, and energy efficiency. FVX-III Series offers lineup ranging from 618 to 1439 US tons, with a variety of injection and screw combinations available. One of the most notable features of FVX-III Series is the intelligent hybrid X-Pump System. The X-Pump System combines Nissei's years of expertise in hydraulic technology with state-of-the-art servo motor technology. Since the servo motor rotates on demand at required speed, it is extremely efficient. It offers high repeatability, low velocity and pressure controllability, quick response, long-sustained injection holding pressure performance, wide-ranging injection velocity, high energy efficiency, low cost and maintainability, low noise, and the list goes on. Speaking of energy efficiency, FVX-III Series consumes 45% less energy than the conventional hydraulic machines in 720-ton range. When you convert this result into the amount of CO2 emissions, a FVX-663 machine emits 27.3 tons less CO2 a year than the conventional type machines, making it super environmentally friendly. The other notable feature of FVX-III Series is its good old direct pressure type clamp unit. If the FVX machine were a car, it has a V8 engine with all the bells and whistles of a modern technologies, but you can beat the heck out of it like a daily driver, and it's efficient as a hybrid. Nissei's direct pressure clamping system offers smooth motions, high rigidity and durability of the 3-pay clamp system, simultaneous motions, mold open-close stop accuracy, and many more. Nissei FVX-III delivers supreme injection performance thanks to the X-Pump System. It delivers faster injection velocity and quick response, excellent stability in ultra-low velocity and pressure range, high pressure and long-sustained injection holding pressure performance. As seen in the graph, a 720-ton FVX-663 machine delivers 1/6 slower operational velocity and 1/5 lower controllable pressure than the conventional type machines. The TACT 4 controller has 20% larger screen, faster processor, and many added features. By adding the optional PQ Manager system, you can visualize your molding operation, even giving the ability to monitor the Nissei machines from anywhere in the world, as well as receiving notifications via emails or text messages. The other advantage of choosing Nissei over other competitor is our lead time. Our large machines are assembled here in San Antonio, Texas, and we have a large number of inventory ready for immediate delivery. In doing so, we're also creating jobs locally and contributing to the U.S. economy, as well as taking a leadership role in the local communities. Nissei FVX-III Series comes in only 2 pieces and can be joined together at a customer's floor in a matter of days to get it up and running, unlike our competitors, who take weeks and months to be ready. We had a chance to hear the actual voice of our customer.
So Brendan, you and your family have been using Nissei machines for over 20 years now. May I ask why?
Well, there are really 3 main reasons why we use Nissei machines. The first is the service, right, which is unparalleled. Anytime we have any issues with any of these machines, which is rare, the technical staff or the parts department does whatever's required to get out here and make sure that we're back up and running right away. The second reason is the pricing. Despite the high quality of these machines, the pricing has always been very, very competitive, which has been critical for our growth. And the third reason is probably the most important. It's the dependability of the machines. We are a custom manufacturer, so we run a lot of different jobs and the whole gambit of resins, engineering grade, commodity grade resins through these machines. And despite that, we've got presses in the fleet that have been running decades and decades and continue to run. So those are the reasons that we use Nissei, and we would recommend anybody else do so.
Well, thank you very much.
Got it.
With 7 technical centers across the U.S. and the new San Antonio, Texas assembly plant, 42 years of longevity in the United States, Nissei is an all-around great choice for your next molding machine. As a global company, Nissei will enrich communities through classics.